Hello people, how are you? So I know this channel we have not posted any single video on last month. From now I will post finance related video in this channel. So in this video we will talk about some biggest money waster things that we should avoid. Let's start. Number one is, if you want to save your money, if you don't want to waste it, then you should quit buying jewelry. There are many kind of jewelry we have in the market, that is ornament related. If you are a boy or a girl, that doesn't matter, but there are many people that are so obsessed with the jewelry that we should not waste our money on it. Many people wasted their hard-earned money on buying platinum, gold, diamond jewelry. But if you quit this habit, it will save a lot of money from your budget. Suppose you are earning $1,000 in a month, but you are spending so much money on your jewelry that has come in the market, that the latest trend has come, and you try to buy it. At the bottom of the month, you will find that you don't have money to buy your essential things. Number two is designer brand. So many people are so obsessed with designer brand that, look, I have to buy the Zara cloth, the Alexander McQueen cloth, Dior cloth, Gucci cloth, Chanel cloth. But when you are going to buy this branded material, you will find that their costs are huge. They are publishing a new product every month. But if you want to follow that, it will be biggest money waster for you. You know, they are extremely expensive. If you go for a Zara clothing store or a Gucci or a Chanel clothing store, but in order to buy this product you have to spend a huge money. But if you think that I will not buy this designer cloth, then it will save huge money of yours. If you want to save your money, you should quit buy these branded clothes right now. Now this is number two. Number three, we will talk about gambling. So there are many kinds of gambling in our country or everywhere in the world. But if you want to save your money, you should stop gambling right now. See, you are thinking that when I will go for gambling, I will win a huge amount of money. But that is not true. You have to spend a lot of money to, win on this gambling. So if you stop gambling, it will, save you a huge amount of money of your earning. This is the right time to quit your gambling habit. Now number four is fast food. Nowadays it's a huge trending in Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, that whatever you eat, you have to post it on your Instagram on your or in your Facebook page to show the people that, look dude, this is my lifestyle and I am this kind of people. So you don't have to do this to show your worth, right? It will cost you a huge money. It will obviously bad for your health. If you go 3 or 4 or 5 times in a week in the McDonald's shop, on the KFC, it affects you badly. You know that, but you always do that. But if you want to save your health, if you want to save your money, you should quit this fast food eating habit. Okay, and on the last day in a month, you will find that you have saved a lot of money. Now number five is expensive car. So many people in the world works so hard to buy their favorite car. But if you save that money and if you make your mind in a such way that I will not buy a first hand car, but if you go for a second hand car, you will get that second hand car on a 1/3 price of the first hand car or a 1/4 price of the first hand car. It will be the same, right? But you can save a huge amount of money when you are buying a second hand car. So if you make your mind that I will buy a car, go for a second hand car. I will suggest that you should not buy any car. Use public transport. They are really good and it will save you a huge amount of money at the end of the month, and you can invest that money on another share or anything like that. Now number six is smoking. Now smoking is the biggest money waster. There are many people that they are smoke at least 2 or 3 packets of cigarette in a day. That is 24 hours. Within 24 hours they finished 3 or 4 packets of cigarette, and Cigarettes are huge money waster, and it's also bad for your health or your lungs. So if you quit smoking right now, it will save you a huge money, and basically it will also good for your health. Now this is the last point we are talking about in this video, that the seventh most money waster thing is alcohol. In the whole world, people are wasting a huge amount of money on consuming alcohol. Wherever you go, you will find such kind of people, and they are saying, well, we have done a lot of work in this week, so we have to chill. So in order to chill, we need alcohol. This is the biggest waste of money. You should quit it right now. They are basically extremely costly, and it's basically bad for your health. When you are habituated about it, that unless and until you are go for alcohol, you are not feeling well. There are such kind of habit you have gained when you are using, when you are making such kind of routine in a month, that unless and until I am not taking alcohol or consuming alcohol, I am not feeling well. So such kind of mentality will destroy you, and this is also the biggest money waster for you. You should quit consuming alcohol right now. In this video, we are talking about the 7 point that you should quit right now. So if you follow it, it will help you a lot. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Social media you please share it, and that will help us to grow. And I am thinking that this kind of video I will post in this channel. So we made a huge gap in this channel, but I am assuring you that I will post such this kind of video regularly. So you can follow our Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.